Abusuafo asebi habi asebi habi pa edo da be pesa be de eba na onso de wadwene eba so ye santidi a wo na be pesa be de okasai mi so be ye santidi pure. My grandparents, great grandparents, obujina ya santifo, intino, meso me ya santidi. So I just want to bring this to us. Na yefan kwa jibirimo, na yejuriho. I live in Canada right now, but say I thought that me follow and yema ekos wo menhia because asantidi papa biano. I thought that I was say who follow the ekos wo menhia. Said be ya, wo betime hu no yema ekos wo menhia. Bisanso ye Kristo ni dia but and then maybe I culture if I say enkontia Christosome and I say enkontia Bible no I don't have a problem like obeying that. Na yamamre ni bi woduma enkontia Bible ti ya na eyemefe. For example, as I take it international odi asem na me fan say among for the insem abedan no na me fan say oka na odi asubdua ba na odi ebia to be say ebia da ya na I follow it, but I realize say etoda na obudi asema oboho dey so to oboho dey so bro amanfo na oboho amai hede no obuchire ye afofofofo oboho dey so bro obo. We live in the 21st century, so it is really something that I have a power. It really bothers me, and I'm saying asantifo a dear dey bitimi aye e dey afasa asemo eho e dey pa dey bitimi aye edu tina be say me yes video way. So yes santidi ti say me fa wadwede bra, leave your comment in the comment section na ye nyina yentimi ehu say e dey bitimi dey aye abo Opemsuo and I say abo asantimai because Manhyia ye nyina ye headquarters asantidi bia no ye headquarters ede na Manhyia na ya danti enyefe kura se insuo to na obehena sebio Opemsuo nko na me fa se oti ba bia insuo entimi kano na o ma kan nyina insuo ebru omo. I live in Canada and I realize there are many mansions and as buildings ewo me fa the Canada ha ene America ene abrochire ikrukru bebre so a obu roofing no obu the glass and aye said a bear before say we are betimi abo horrible etino and it is a while here obeka say you are working in an open area and so na open area say so to and I say before say food trobi ebo adabibia etimi emama bekao. That's our project here. Make a was say asantima you betimi aye our Manhyia you betimi I resist structures you the glass and the bay roof you know roof you know compromise my foldable and I say yes special program here you betimi a tutu so you betimi tutu glass roof you know and the free hodum ye program ni we are they said the na na ye asantehima ye and I say bibido you betimi a tutu so that's a program no call every year program no ni bibia ye successful na say e de abesisi hoback ti say de be fan say ye da canopy na ye kobo canopy na canopy ni sisi ho ye wi na ye tutu be fa the canopy no. We can do the same thing our Manhyia hodum na ye be raise permanent structures be fa the pillars posts at it na ye de for the glass roof you know egusoro chete so to so no entimi nka obia because very disgraceful very shameful say amai hede sabi educated people because your amai hede no bebre hoduma they are very educated. Okay, some of them are doctors everybody are there and na omaba no mo ba meetia na isu ebru obu isu to ade isu ebru obu bo na obu chire yafo na sa me fa say brisi ede na combine so dodo na no isu kan asai some of the brisi no and that's some of the combine no me fa say about for ni bi efrefra no amai hede ne amai himani bi efrefra no say isu kape asai it decided ba we nyina ye nema. You see, we live in the 21st century, things are changing. It yet to be say any other no be here no ti yes so yabekoswa atena ho ayedesa. Okay, we have to bring some changes. Iti asoma me kai wode be ya adwena na so yes antinia wode be ya adwena na media I feel say kebetimi arezi before say structures be ewo yedo soro ewo ba bia obudi asem no se before say yentimi arezi ewo Manhyia nyina kra e bia say entire Manhyia no open spaces no nyina na yentimi arezi a ba bia obutene di asem no ko ade ye rezi ewa before the chiri yebetima kwase on say abai hede no obutena se a obia wo de chiri ye so no enti e wo say adekro na ye be rezi no ewa che before the chiri ye no obai hede bia no obetimi ede de chiri ye aba ase na so na ade no wo soro eye glass glass roofing obia betimi ehuru wiem ani ade but insuo to ana bibia insuo rutimi ejede etimi ka omu we a sensible suggestion and I say sensible idea ena medeba midim dia also wadwere kiro it is also wadwere fufuro bia fabra maybe the madwere kiro be say the way abrofo esisi omu dan na omu de glass ena ye roofing nobody ade no okay we live in the 21st century moma yen set pace no also most of the time no asante and answer Manhyia esete me fan say example no and I say asante set pace na fufuro aka no so abeto so I think say it is high time I was say yes BBC na it be boa asante mai asante youth na mo ho na etoda osofu bi kan seminar wan kase ya na mo bedidi a Christ of water no I'm a Christian be asante there but I am a Christian and like I said adibia ewo asante mai ma enkontia Bible no there I like it and I want my tradition to be there tradition I am some and is a good no there I don't like it those ones no there me but those traditions na enkontia Bible me fan say ohire edi chiriye esedi so ohire edi asem everybody I do those ones no there enkontia Bible it you know there I don't have any problem with that at all and those ones you know, I want to promote them I want them to exist I want them to be maintained so no I don't tell me yes video way chire wadwere so wadwere chire bia fabra share say video way ma ebi enkoka obi a owo Manhyia I know say Opemsuo there I'm not sure say oba me fan say Facebook no be ade no I don't think say oba ho eti e dan e obi na beti akwa kan kire no the person come on share video way mu share video way na ebi koka Opemsuo I'll be glad say community man share video way e dey ma obi a oni ma obi no no so dey komo obi kopem say bedroom Manhyia nanka perifo na omu manage Manhyia no omu fasa asem way me fan say omu fan ko adwudwire mu say e was say fans kwa na nyina ye raise na ebe etimi dey build structure bia ebe cover baby a me fan say amai hide no enobri ade te say dey omu ba enso ntimi kan oba we can do that na itimi nya edmonyam hye enfama asantibai eni Ghana bai edo ti the way dey madwene ena bachere ti wuzo fa wadwene bra say the first time oba be channel is wa higher BluntGhana here I defend Jesus Christ I defend Christianity I defend the Bible I defend wisdom I defend common sense I defend Ghana I defend morality and me asante so I will say I defend asante na enya asante ko defend it ohidi bia odo oman Ghana na osensuro nyame na odwene nchirima ho that's a vision na adibia wo ye bia de beboa be fan say nchirima na wo ya I don't care the tribe you come from I'm going to promote you so that is what I do thank you for your time thank you bye if so nyansa fu biara bo no sie dadi akomon brekomon sasa breko na bu na mo pe akomon brekomon sasa breko na bu na mo pe akomon ba madiache obekwe and I know akomon ba madiache